Welcome to Riverstone Training, your source for valuable knowledge. Today, we'll introduce you to the world of personal finance. Let's begin. Personal finance is the administration of your financial resources and choices. It involves understanding how to earn, spend, save, and invest your money wisely. The first step in personal finance is understanding your income and expenses. Your income is the money you earn, while expenses are the money you spend on various needs and wants. Creating a budget, it is essential for managing your expenses effectively. By tracking and categorizing your spending, you can identify areas where you can save and make adjustments to align your spending with your financial goals. Saving money is a key aspect of personal finance. Setting aside a portion of your income regularly helps you build an emergency fund and save for future goals such as buying a house or retirement. Investing is another important component of personal finance. You can grow your wealth over time by putting your money into different investment vehicles like stocks, bonds, or real estate. Educating yourself about personal finance is crucial. Learn about budgeting, debt management, investing, and other financial concepts to make informed decisions that will benefit your financial well-being. Thank you for joining us for this introduction to personal finance. Stay tuned for more insightful videos from Riverstone Training. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. See you in the next video.